This is a pre-release demonstration of the Boardfoot calculator. This is going to be revision 2 of the calculator. I've made a lot of changes to it. Worked on it for the last day or so. It has a lot of things. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. It's just a demonstration. I'll give the source code away. I want to test it out for a few days, and then I'll release it. So I'm just going to basically run it, from the Visual Studio console. It's not as an executable at the moment, but it just compiled. So basically, you have to select a thickness. If it doesn't, it gives you an error. So I'm just going to use 3/4. And then you have to have a board name, or you can't do anything. You can't add, remove, you can't do anything like that. You also have to have dimensions over here. So I'm just going to put some numbers in here because 8 by 10, add item, B. We'll have to say there's 2 parts to this one. And again, I'm just putting in some numbers in here because these aren't going to work out to make anything good. It's just random numbers. And I'll go ahead and put something in here like this just to show you that it's working. Now, if you want to modify it, like let's say you want to call that, instead of board A, you want to say it's the top. You press edit, then you can go in here. You want to call this side. And maybe you realize you made a mistake here as well. So maybe it's a 1/2 inch goes here, and then you just add that, and it changed the side, and it added that 1/2 inch. Maybe this is bottom. And the only thing you can't change is the thickness because it has to stay the same. When you want to get board total, when you're done, you press get total board foot, and it goes to this area. Now that you can't select anything over here, but over here, you can copy this if you want to, or you just save it as a file. So I'll just save it. And I created a folder over here because I've been practicing on this to make sure it works. And I created a directory. I'll just create a new one just to show you. So I'll right click here. I'll say new folder, Boardfoot files. And then I'll say this one is, let's call it shelf. That. And then now all you have to do, you can just open your, I just stopped it basically, but you open your Explorer up, you find where you just saved your file, and it was down, there's Boardfoot files. And this would be the one I just saved. It's 11:38 p.m. Today is, November 18th. And this is the file I just saved. You can check the calculations. I know they're correct. I've already checked it a few times on another one. I did put a little, note right here. You should add 10%. That's what they told us, back when I was in high school in 1988, 89, and 87. But, since SpaceX can now land a rocket, just make it fall out of the sky, the Raptor engines turn on, it just magically lands in some little tiny chopstick arms. We probably don't have room for error anymore. You can probably just build it right to detail and not have any problems with the laser guided, saws and stuff that we have. It'll be perfect. So if we can do that with SpaceX, we can do all kinds of stuff. You don't have room for error anymore. Have a good day.
We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now
Jeez.
We're back, 7:30. Wow, look at, that is a SpaceX Starship rocket booster. And for the first time ever, the booster returned back to the launch site where it was caught by a mechanical chopstick. Well, they were mechanical chopstick arms, actually.
Oh.